While browsing the internet, I saw a design that out of lines. This is very simple. And the simplicity of this design made more beautiful. This design called one-line design. And we can use one-line design as graphic design tricks. Using one-line design is very easy. Yet, it's a beautifully simple thing. And when I say one-line design, it's obvious that I'm referring to single outline. But a good-looking one. Here are the samples of one-line design. On the next slide, I'll show you a tricks on how to make an outline by tracing an image. Tracing is an artistic tool that is used to practice drawing skills or transfer images onto a canvas, wall, or in digital. By tracing the image, it will let you transfer the actual photo into outline, which is we need it to make an artwork or a new graphic design. Also, you can convert the image of a pencil sketch you've drawn on paper into vector artwork using image trace. This last one is built on something we used to goof around. And that's to draw only the shadows side of an object. You might start with some letters like this. Then, imagine a light source coming from some direction. Then just draw the shadow opposite the light and delete the original letter. The direction of the light has a lot to do with the quality of the outcome, depending on what your shapes are.